Welcome to qnawire.
The next question is about 0.085 molar sodium hydroxide. And we want to know how many milliliters of it will be required to titrate against 40 ml of 0.09 molar nitric acid. Okay, so what we can do now is to write out the equation first, so we know HNO3 can react with sodium hydroxide to produce sodium nitrate and H2O. So from this, we know the coefficient of reaction is 1:1, or the mole ratio of the reaction to one another is 1:1. So we can then say the CA over CB is equals to NA over NB, where NA over NB is 1 and 1, right? A is acid, B is the base. So the concentration of the acid is 0.09. Volume of the acid is 40 divided by concentration of base is 0.085. Volume, that's what we are looking for, is equals to 1/1. So VB will then be equals to 0.09 times 40 divided by 0.085. So that is 42.35 milliliters. The B part says we have 35 milliliters of ethanoic acid. So we write the equation of reaction again. Sodium hydroxide reacting with ethanoic acid is also 1:1. This is H2O plus sodium acetate. Okay, so this is also 1:1. Balanced equation 1:1. So the CA in this case, this is 0.0850 molar. Concentration of the acid in this case is 0.0850. Volume of the acid is 35. Concentration of base remains the same to be 0.0850, and volume of the base is what we're looking for, 1/1, NA over NB. So volume of base is 35 milliliters. And then the C part is 50 milliliters of a solution that contains 1.85 gram of hydrochloric acid. So we need to calculate the concentration of this solution. So hydrochloric acid is molar mass of hydrochloric acid is 36.5 grams per mole. Okay. Therefore, the number of mole of hydrochloric acid will be equals to 1.85 gram divided by 36.5 gram per mole. And that will be 0.051 mole. So then concentration will be 0.051 mole divided by 50 divided by 1000. So we're converting the milliliters to liters. So this would be 1.01 molar. Okay, so if you write the equation for the reaction again, we have sodium hydroxide plus HCl will produce sodium chloride plus H2O. The stoichiometry is also 1:1. So the Ca in this case is 1.01. The Va is 50. divided by concentration of base is still 0.0850 multiplied by VB is 1 over 1. Therefore, VB will be equals to 596.2 milliliters. Okay, so that's the answer.